Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm taking you to Five Below to look at everything they're putting out for Halloween. Let's go shopping. We'll start off by looking at all their decorations. They have this skull and crossbones for $5 that hangs, and this is a really great deal. All the pieces of a skeleton, you can place it on a front lawn. I've seen this other places for much more, and here it's $5. They also have the small plastic fences, these with skulls on them, pretty heavy plastic for $1.50. These are a little bit bigger than the ones at Dollar Tree. Down here they have all kinds of headstones to choose from. These are much more elaborate and larger than the ones you'll see at Dollar Tree, and these are $4 a piece. Now for some of their yard stakes. I think that they have a great deal on yard stakes. These are things you would see for more at even places like Walmart. The larger ones are all $4. This one with the bat on top is super cute. They also have a few smaller ones like this one in Pumpkin Patch and the skull for $2. Another great deal is their miniature inflatables. They are only 3 feet tall and battery operated, but they are definitely a good buy at $5. And also for just $5, they have 2 vertical signs, one in welcome and one in boo. These definitely look like they could come from Hobby Lobby, and they're just $5. They even have kickstands on the back. Next to those signs, they have some $5 hanging ghouls. Now they have this one they're calling a witch. They just put these out so they're not set up to work, but it does say they have eyes that light up and make spooky sounds. The pumpkin they're calling a scarecrow, and it also comes in the clown, and they are all motion activated, sure to be a little scary at night. For $4, they do have 2 Halloween themed front doormats. The neighbors have the good candy, which I think is so funny, and this one in boo with the 2 pumpkins. For $2, they have a few neon glow-in-the-dark lawn skeleton stakes in the yellow, white, and pink. And for $5, they have a few styrofoam light-up jack-o'-lanterns. It comes in the orange and black, the pink and purple, and neon yellow and green. So all of these have small LED lights on the inside, and when you turn it on, it actually is a flashing light. They also have some extremely large plastic cauldrons. These are also $5 a piece. They do have a few with purple handles, a few with black. They look very real in person. Something I think they did a great job on are these glass lanterns. Now these are not plastic. They're so much larger than the ones I've seen at Dollar Tree. Really great size, especially for real glass. You could definitely fit a full-size LED candle in there, and they're just $5. They also have the extra large spider webs for $4 a piece that are 6 feet in diameter, and some half moons in purple tinsel and silver stars. These are a nice size and are $5 a piece. For $4, they have some huge pinwheels for Halloween. Great front yard decor, just to let everyone know you are handing out candy. Comes in the spider, the skull, the jack-o'-lantern, and my favorite, the candy corn colored boo. If you're having a hard time finding the hanging ghouls at your Dollar Tree, Five Below also has a few to choose from with skulls in different colors, black and gray, as well as a few pumpkins for just $1 a piece. Now we'll take a look at a few of their Halloween costume items, starting off with their wigs. As you can see, they have a lot of different choices to choose from, and they're all just $5 a piece. Also for $5, an amazing price, are these oversized masks. Now they're not as high quality as the ones you find at Walmart, but those can run $20. Here they have a cat, a bear, a unicorn, and a shark to choose from, and they're just $5. They also have a few trick-or-treat bucket and bag options, these skeleton hands, these super cute little ghosts, and the jack-o'-lanterns. All the bags are $2. And below they have some $1 buckets, a lot smaller, but some cute options: the cat, the zombie, the ghost, and the jack-o'-lantern. They also have some amazing masks for $5. They have the dog, Trump, and the crying baby. And I am so surprised by these costumes. They are only $5. It comes in two versions: the box of French fries and Chinese takeout. They also have a few masks back in the toy section to choose from if you're looking for something fast and easy for $5. And a few knit caps, this one in Jason, good old Jack, and Pennywise. These are all beanies. They also have coordinating t-shirts for $5 a piece, again in Jack, this one in the clown, and in a glow-in-the-dark skeleton. Now for some $4 options, they have a few costume kits. This one in the cat. They also have it in the sugar skull for Dia de los Muertos, and a princess kit with a tiara, as well as a unicorn. These are lots of fun and come with ready-to-stick rhinestones. Now for some of their Halloween makeup. They also have some nails for $5 a piece in skulls, cobwebs, leopard print, bright pink, and mermaid scales. They've got some multicolor mascara and lots of palettes to choose from for $5 in nudes and glitter, as well as lots of different colored hairsprays, from glitter to glow in the dark to color. They also have lots of little kits by fantasy makers made by Wet n Wild in palettes, lip products, all kinds of face makeup to complete your Halloween look, including stencils and rhinestones, lots and lots of highlighter, and as you can see, nothing is over $5. If you're looking for some straight Halloween makeup kits, they have those as well in a few different variations. These are all $5 a piece and come with an entire kit. If you happen to be throwing a Halloween party, they have some great piñatas for $5 in the black cat and the pumpkin. If your trick-or-treater is a four-legged friend, they have costumes for dogs and cats as well, a few different sweaters to choose from. They all come in different sizes for $3. They also have the little leg warmers in different sizes and full costumes. These are $5 and come in the jack-o'-lantern, the little devil with the little horns on the hood, a unicorn, and a hot dog. And for $4, they have some squishmallows that come in the Scarecrow, jack-o'-lantern, mummy, the vampire, the witch, and Frankenstein. For $2, they have the light up, motion activated LED ghosts, and some really fun LED shoe clips. You get a pair of two for $5. And on my way out the door, I spotted some really cute bundles of socks. If you're a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, you may want to check them out. They come in packs of 5 for just $5. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to Five Below to check out all their Halloween decor and costumes. Let me know down below if you have a Five Below in your area. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.